Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own line icons for your UI designs, using nothing but free software, specifically Figma. If you've ever wondered how those clean, minimal icons you see in modern apps are made, or you want to give your own project a professional, consistent touch, stick with me. By the end, you'll know how to make a set of crisp line icons right in Figma, ready to drop straight into your next design. Let's jump right in and actually start creating. We're going to build three types of icons. A justify icon, which you'll recognize as those three horizontal bars often used for menu buttons, an align center icon, and finally a classic mobile signal bar icon. I'll walk you through each of these step by step and explain exactly why we're doing what we're doing along the way. To kick things off, go ahead and create a new Figma file if you haven't already. Now let's build our first line icon, the justify icon. Start by using the rectangle tool. Just hit R on your keyboard to draw a simple horizontal rectangle. This will be the foundation of our icon. Think of it as the baseline. Now the default rectangle might look a bit thick or square, so let's head over to the Properties panel on the right and adjust the stroke weight to make the line a little bolder, helping it stand out. Usually a stroke width of 24 pixels works well for UI icons. While you're there, add a touch of corner radius. This softens the ends, giving your lines a more approachable, friendly vibe. No hard edges here, which just looks better in modern interfaces. Once you're happy with that first rectangle, you'll want 3 total for the justify icon. An easy shortcut is to select your rectangle, press Alt or Option and drag vertically to duplicate it. Then do this a second time so you have 3 lines stacked evenly one over another. Don't stress if your spacing isn't perfect at first. Just use the alignment tools in Figma or hold Shift to keep things perfectly straight. What we're creating here is visual balance, which is key for a neat icon. Moving on to the Align Center icon, the approach is similar but with a twist. Draw 2 long horizontal rectangles just as we did before and stack them vertically. These represent the main lines. Now to complete the icon, add 2 shorter horizontal lines, place one above and one below the longer ones. Think of it like building a sandwich where the short lines are the bread and the longer lines are the filling. Try to align everything to the center, both vertically and horizontally. This is what gives the icon its aligned feel. Don't worry if the proportions don't seem exact at first. Sometimes you need to nudge things around a little until it looks visually balanced. Trust your eye for our last icon, a signal bar icon like the one you see on your phone. It's time to switch things up and create a series of lines that look like stairs, starting with a short line on the left and each bar getting gradually taller to the right. Start with your rectangle tool again and draw the shortest bar. Copy it, then adjust the height of each new copy so the bars step up one by one. Try to keep the same stroke thickness throughout so everything looks consistent. Remember, if the spacing between bars isn't perfect at first, you can use Figma's distribute tools to quickly space everything out evenly. Think of these bars as representing signal strength, so the progression from short to tall is a visual metaphor for more signal, better connection. And that's all there is to it. With just a few shapes and some thoughtful adjustments, you've created your very own set of professional line icons in Figma, all using only free tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or want a deeper dive into Figma, drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another design tip. Thanks so much for watching and happy designing.